guys, here we are with Sandeep Soni from VXL Partners Pty Ltd. So we would want to know from Sandeep, first question to you is, what's your business all about?
Look, my business is now in setting up exclusive stores for Australian products in India. And we have a target for setting about 200 stores in the next 3 years, only for Australian food and related products. That is what we are working on now.
Right, so that's a massive goal, isn't it, Sandeep? So how do you plan to achieve it? 200 stores. So you're gonna set up stores in India for Australian products.
They'll be all over India now. The way we are going about it, we're going to first master franchise it state-wise. And under every master franchise, there would be a minimum of 10 stores. So that's how we are setting it up.
Wow. And are there any business opportunities for people in Australia or people in India to join you guys?
Look, the products we have is about 900 products which have a fantastic market in India. So there's opportunities for people who want to join me in Australia for this project, or if they want to pick up a master franchise in India. Now, one thing which I would like to mention here is this master franchise is open for people who, even if they don't have experience of running a business, or they want to quit their jobs and start with us, because we have a full training platform happening in India. So we will make sure that we set it up for you, we run it for you till the time you're not comfortable to run it on your own. So that support is available.
Wow.
So this is an opportunity for people who want to start on their own. The franchise investment is very low. There is no ongoing franchise fees, and the support will be there throughout.
Excellent. Wow. And are you open to all areas in India, or just few? You want to start with, say, one part of India? Or?
Look, we are open to all areas because our products, the quality is premium, but the price is not premium. So we want to actually cover every nook and corner of India, because it is easily affordable for the middle income group. Even the lower income group can also afford these products.
Wow. When you try to import goods and services from foreign countries, there is a lot of import duties or custom clearance and all that. All that will be taken care of by you as a business owner.
We have an office here in India. We have got people working there, and they would be taking care of all the regulations and the import and the distribution and delivery of the product.
Right. And when is that you plan to start? When is that you plan to open your first store, Sandeep?
Well, the marketing for the master franchise would kick off in the first year, that is 2021 we plan to start now. I mean, it is a bit of a kind of a thing that 2020 has not been good for people. So we just want to wait for another maybe end of next month, and then take off, and we'll probably start afresh in the new year.
Wow. And so, Sandeep, so people who are listening to this, and clear business audience as well. So, what's your value proposition? I mean, why should someone come and join you? Why you think it's going to be a success model?
Look, there are three things. One is I come from economics background, so I understand what the economy of India is going to be in the next 2 years. It is going to be a booming economy. It is something which we can't even imagine. And the purchasing power is going to go up. As it is, if you look at the purchasing power, it is as good as what Australia is going through today. Maybe it's better. So that's one. Secondly, I've got a product range of 900 products to offer. So there is no way our stores, can't do well, because if the products don't do well, we can keep changing and keep putting in new products. Thirdly, it is also an opportunity for Australian manufacturers, because if they want to grow, they have to learn to grow global now. The Australian market is not enough for them to grow. They can sustain, and maybe difficult to sustain during this period also, but it's an opportunity for them to grow. And this risk is very minimal, because we are looking at minimum of 8 to 12 months shelf life. We are not getting into any refrigerated products at the moment. So we're going very safe. So it's a good opportunity for people to join us and the investment levels are not high. We are not looking at millions of dollars to take off. It's a low investment, but a good return.
People who are in the retail outlet right now in India, would they be offered to stock your products, or you're looking for very specific exclusive Australian product?
Yeah, no, we can look at them provided in one part of the store they give us an exclusive kind of area, because I don't want my products to be compared or to be mixed up with either any local products or any products from anywhere other than Australia. Because
Right.
we have a particular niche market there, and we want to keep it that way. Products coming from everywhere, but they do not compare to the quality which we are offering from Australia. So I don't want the products to be confused and mixed anywhere in.
And how would you solve a problem of stocking up and stuff like that? Would you have a big warehouse where in India where
We already have a warehouse in Delhi.
Okay.
And we go for master franchise. The requirement we're looking at is a warehouse for the master franchise. So, and the warehouse should not be very big. We just want to, at any point of time, have one container load stored in that warehouse.
Excellent. Excellent.
And the distribution would happen from there.
Right.
For the individual stores, we are not looking at any warehouse facilities, because we would be providing them delivery as and when they require.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Is there anything else, Sandeep, would like to add, where for the listeners to understand the business model, or to understand what you are trying to do or what you're trying to offer?
Look, people who want to grow, people who want to look at investing in a viable business, come and discuss with me. You can call me on your mobile, you can email me, whatever suits you guys. I'm in Melbourne, so there's no problem. We can catch up, meet, and I'll explain to you how the business works and how they can be a part of this business. I would look forward to getting some people in who are interested to grow and grow with us.
Absolutely. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is Sandeep Soni, who is very much, into the business, and obviously there's a immense business opportunity for everyone to come and join or listen to or just see Sandeep grow. Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you for your time, Ash. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Bye.